Powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with a PDK transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 26 miles per gallon. This Porsche features power windows, air conditioning, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include rain-sensing wipers, navigation system, and DVD entertainment system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.